Hi. Hi, this is Royal Cleaning and Custom Services. I'm going to show you another toy I have. Look at this puppy. Huh? That cool? And if it does the job, hey, it does the job. Check it. And as you see, this cutter is pretty dirty. Not bad, huh? Pretty cool, huh? That's a gutter cleaner for professionals only. So if you want to join, ow! Oh, I hit myself with the wall. So if you want to join the Royal family, you know what to do. We do residential, commercial, and custom services. So if you have a custom job, call us now. You have a residential job, call us now. You have a commercial job, call us now. 1-800-554-7299.